good day, sir. I am Janos Pritzemgano from BS Cream Charger Alpha. For those kind of phobia, first is arachnophobia. First, fear of spider. Second is acrophobia, fear of heights. 3. Claustrophobia, fear of confined of small spaces. 4. Agoraphobia, fear of open or crowded spaces. 5. Opidiophobia, fear of snakes. 6. Trypanophobia, fear of needle and injection. 7. Cynophobia, fear of dogs. 8. Astrophobia, fear of thunder and lightning. 9. Mesophobia, fear of germs or dirt. 10. Nyctophobia, fear of the dark. 11. Chronophobia, fear of time or time passing. 12. Thanaphobia, fear of death or dying. 13. Glossophobia, glossophobia, fear of public speaking. 14. Sociophobia, fear of social situation. 15. Echinophobia, fear of sharp objects. 16. Hemophobia, fear of blood. 17. Trypophobia, fear of cluster of small holes or bumps. 18. Nosophobia, fear of getting a disease. 19. Anthophobia, fear of flowers. 20. Panphobia, fear of everything or constant fear. That's all.